Listen, okay? I'll give my money to homeless people, all right? If I see a homeless person walking, they need some money. If I have it, I'll give it to them, no problem. But if you're white and homeless, see, no, I need a little more explanation. I need a backstory on that because this shit don't even seem real.
So a black comedian is being dragged all over the internet for saying his opinion about seeing a white person that is homeless. So in this video, we're going to talk about what he said. We're also going to talk about people's opinion, and then I'm going to talk about what I feel about it. Now, this video is for educational and informational purposes. It is not encouraging any form of violence, and it is not an avenue for people to be abusive to the people who have left their comment or opinion on this issue. Now, this black comedian talked about his opinion on seeing a white person that is homeless and how he feels a certain kind of way and doesn't think he can offer help to such person. Now, he made a video that got people in their feelings. Now, some people supported his opinion and said they feel that same way. Now, some people said he was being the R word to people that are white. So let's check out some of the opinions of people.
Listen, okay? I'll give my money to homeless people, all right? If I see a homeless person walking, they need some money. If I have it, I'll give it to them, no problem. But if you're white and homeless, see, no, I need a little more explanation. I need a backstory on that because this shit don't even seem real. So you mean to tell me y'all had a 400-year head start here and you still end up dropping the ball? And now you asking me for money? Man, get the fuck. I know you, cause like being white and homeless at the same time is crazy. Yeah. I can see if you homeless. All y'all need is a suit and a tie and get on Indeed. Y'all be a damn astronaut tomorrow. So no, I don't want to hear it.
Now, people saw this video, and of course they're trying to say that this young man was being reverse racist, meaning he was being racist towards white people, which, as we already know, does not exist. Doesn't exist, because we know that this society was created for the advancement of white people, right? All the cards are stacked in their favor. So I think that's why for us, seeing a white person who is poor or homeless is like an oxymoron. It shouldn't exist because the whole game was set for you to win.
This is something that happened. This is, you know, if you don't like what I'm about to say, this video ain't for you, so you might want to keep scrolling. In particular, these colored people. But if you want to hear what I got to say, you might want to stick around. So I live in Oklahoma, and the homeless rate here is, it's up there, but it's not as bad as some other states. Well, I go on a certain side of town because, well, my son, he goes to daycare out there, and there's a lot of homeless people around there. And this particular homeless person, this white guy, I'm not going to say his full name, his government name or anything. I'm just call him Billy. I'm just say Billy. So I like to keep him private because he's actually a really good down, generate person. And he is white and he is homeless. And every time I catch him on the street, I try to give him something, help him whatever possible I can help him with. Anything I can help him with. But I for sure remember the words he told me. One time I was doing some stuff for him, getting him some groceries and stuff, and he told me, he said, listen, I'm gonna tell you this now because you look like a really down-to-earth person that don't mind helping us homeless people out here. I'm gonna tell you this, do not help all of white folks like himself, homeless people, because all of them ain't got no reason to be homeless. He went into more deeps, but I'm not gonna make this video long. And he was like, I wouldn't even care if you stop helping me now. But he's one of the few Caucasian homeless people that is genuinely homeless, and he told me his story. I didn't even ask for his story. He told me his story.
The internet is mad at this TikToker for being supposedly racist towards white people.
Now that video did well, it went viral. So he had to put up another video and he doubled down on his opinion. This time he brought out the data that showed that people that are white, people that are not people of color, are more likely to have help to be successful, unlike people of color. He brought out the statistics for white people, he brought out statistics for black, he brought out statistics for other people of color, Asian, also brought out statistics for unemployment in black people, in white, in Asian.
Okay, listen, man. I made a video about white homeless people. I think a lot of people took it out of context. They're calling me the R word, things like that. You know, it's a little upset about that. All right, I'm a comedian. Okay, that's what I do. I tell jokes. Okay? But behind every joke is a little bit of the truth. I know this got under y'all skin. It's a little irritated. But let's look at the facts. Am I lying though? Am I motherfucking lying? Let's look at the facts. Somebody pull out the damn facts. Okay, see, right here we have a chart of the population of America, okay? Now, as you can see, white people are the vast majority of America. With 75%, that's a lot of motherfucking people, right? 75%, under that is black people. Where we at? We 13%. What? Half of us in jail and incarcerated, what? What? That only leaves like 7% of us. You know what? Scratch that. Let's just look at the unemployment rate chart. Come on, bring the chart up. So, white people, 3.4% is unemployed. Wow, that's really nothing compared to 75% of it being in this country. What about black people? What? Over 5% unemployed? Shit, it's only 13% of us in America. So you mean to tell me that it's designed for y'all and y'all still drop the pot? And listen, I never said I wouldn't give my money to white homeless people. I just said I need more clarification on that. I mean, you had a 400-year head start, right? Wasn't it Christopher Columbus Day the other day? Didn't y'all find this place? Huh? Supposedly? Don't y'all run these companies or corporations? All you need is a suit and a tie, get them Indeed, and you'll be a pilot tomorrow. You was homeless one day, the next day now you flying for Delta Airlines.
Now, personally, my opinion might be unpopular, but this is how I feel. Now, I feel that people have a right to feel the way he feels because the society has really not been encouraging for a lot of people that are not white. So people have a right to be in their feelings and say, oh, they're not going to be sympathetic to someone who is white and homeless. Now, personally, I would say that, yes, they are right. But the thing is that it is unfair to kind of lump every white and homeless person into a particular way that makes it feel like, oh, they are being lazy or something like that. Now I know that some white people, some people that are not people of color, can be very nasty even if they are homeless. Watch this.
This is unbelievable. In California, a white homeless man calls the police on black homeless people because he feels unsafe around them. I'm going to show you the full video, but I just want to thank the woman for her action and her words. Watch.
You're talking like that? I know you're not out there talking like that. You are going to ruin it for everybody. No, excuse me, let me speak. Let me speak. Because I heard your speech and it's quite frankly rude. You are over there. Listen, sir. We drove all the way from Los Angeles. Don't lean on that. Don't lean on that. Let me finish. You are responsible for you. You being the only white person in that line, we have lived that plight all our life of being the only black person in the space not feeling protected and safe. We are not here to hear your cup of tears. Stand in that line, do the best you can.
This kind of thing can trigger people and make people not want to help people that are white and homeless. But I feel like there's still some people that they're homeless not because of they are lazy. It could be because of some medical issue. It could be because of they did some things and it affected their mental health. It could be so many things. They could just be not lucky and they could have tried and things were not working in their favor. They could just be people that did not even have the means like people would think, even though a large amount of white people have the society kind of helps, but some people will still be in the bracket where things don't work out for them. Some people are just not lucky. So I think grouping all of them and saying, oh, they might be lazy or they might not want to do some things or they might think in a particular way, it's not fair to some others that things happened life happened, health-wise things happened. It could just be things like that. So I feel if you want to be kind or nice to any homeless person, please don't look at the color, just do it and then walk away and be nice. Now that is my own personal opinion. I don't know if anybody will have my type of opinion, because I know saw a lot of people supporting his comments, supporting the way he feels. It was very rare that I saw anybody that is a person of color say, oh, I don't feel that kind of way. Like I said, my opinion is very, very unpopular, but this is just the way I feel. If you have any contrary opinion, please leave it in the comment section. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on the red button that says subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell notification icon by the side so that you're notified anytime I upload videos. Now, with all that said, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.